This Dutch oven recipe is a quick and easy way to serve up a hearty, easy breakfast sure to be enjoyed by all the cowfolks at camp. You'll need a pound of sausage, about 4 strips of bacon, 4 ounces of ham, half cup of chopped red pepper, a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, teaspoon of Montreal seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, an 8-ounce package of Mexican cheese, a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh mushrooms, a handful of fresh herbs such as oregano and basil chopped fine, 6 eggs beaten, and a half of a 30-ounce package of frozen hash browns. Start by browning the hash browns in an iron skillet. Then add them to the Dutch oven. You can add parchment paper to your Dutch oven to prevent sticking and easy cleanup. Next, brown the bacon that has been chopped to the skillet and begin to brown. Add the pound of sausage to brown, stirring to evenly cook throughout. The smell will bring all your hungry cowboys out of the barn. Add the browned meat mixture to the Dutch oven. Sprinkle on the Montreal seasoning or seasoning of your choice. Add the onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and spread out evenly on top of the meat. Then add the rest of the Montreal seasoning. Next, beat the 6 eggs. Add sun-dried tomatoes to the top if you desire. Then resist the urge to dig in while your coals are heating up. When the coals are ready, spread a few evenly under your Dutch oven. Then place a ring of coals on top of your oven. Set the timer for 20 minutes and wait. Rotate the oven clockwise. And the lid counterclockwise. Add the eggs. And set the timer for 15 minutes. Add the cheese and salt and pepper. You can even get your little cowpokes to help with this. This little cowgirl did an excellent job. Cook for about 6 more minutes to melt the cheese. Wow, doesn't that look great? Have the cookie, serve up the grub, and let the gang dig in. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more recipes for horse camping with your Dutch oven, please hit the subscribe button right here below this video.